Hello, everybody! Today we're going to meet some very special friends. They are all around us. Every day, let's say hello to the shapes.
Hi, everyone. I'm Circle. I'm round and smooth with no corners at all. You can find me in so many places. For example, when you look up in the sky during the day, you see the big bright sun. That's me. And when you're hungry, maybe you eat a delicious donut. Yum, I'm there too. Oh, and did you know that wheels on cars, bikes and buses are all shaped like me? Without circles, it would be hard for anything to roll. So next time you ride your bike, remember you're moving with the help of circles like me.
Great job, Circle! Let's meet your next friend.
Hi everyone, I'm Rectangle. I have 4 sides, but my sides are not all the same. 2 sides are longer and 2 sides are shorter. You can find me in so many things you use every day. For example, a TV screen or a sheet of paper is shaped like me.
Hello everyone, I'm Square. I have 4 sides too, but all of them are the same length. You can find me in lots of places. For example, when you draw a picture, you might use a square piece of paper, or maybe you have square-shaped blocks to build with. And guess what? Some houses have windows shaped like me. If you look closely, you might even find me on a chessboard or a checkerboard. So whenever you see something with 4 equal sides, that's me, Square.
Fantastic, Square. Now who's next?
Hey there, I'm Triangle. I have 3 sides and 3 corners. You can find me in lots of cool places. For example, when you see the roof of a house, that's usually shaped like a triangle. Triangles are strong shapes, which is why they're used in building things like bridges. Oh, and one of my favorite things, ice cream cones. The cone part is shaped like me, a triangle. Yum! Can you think of other places where you might see triangles?
Now that we've met Circle, Square, Triangle, and Rectangle, let's see what they can do when they work together. Look, together they built a cute little house with a round door, a triangle roof, and square and rectangle walls. Our shapes make the perfect team. Thanks for meeting us today. Keep an eye out for the shapes wherever you go. See you next time. Remember, friends, shapes make the world colorful and fun. Keep learning and exploring. Bye-bye.